Hello students, following question is from test series 4, subject signals and system, chapter linear time invariant system. And the question is asked for one more. Question is we are supposed to calculate y dash of t for the LTI system for which x of t is equal to u of t minus 3 minus u of t minus 5 and h of t is equal to e power minus 2t u of t plus 3. Now we know that y of t, that is output, is nothing but convolution between input and impulse response, that is x of t convolved with h of t. Now there is a standard formula that y dash of t is equal to x dash of t convolved with h of t, that is derivative of y is equal to derivative of x convolved with h of t. Now this is nothing but, if we see over here, x dash of t would be equal to delta of t minus 3, since it is in terms of u of t, so derivative would be delta. So we would have delta of t minus 3 minus delta of t minus 5. Now y dash of t, again if I am writing y dash of t to be equal to this delta of t minus 3 minus delta of t minus 5 convolved with e raised to minus 2t u of t plus 3. So whenever we are having such kind of thing, so what we have over here is, finally if we are taking the convolution, we would get the answer to be like this. This would be e power minus 2 is 2t minus 3 times 2, that is 6 u of t plus 3 minus 3, that is give you u of t, then minus e power minus 2t minus 10 and u of t minus plus 3 minus 5. So that is solving this, you will finally get the answer e power minus 2t, inside bracket is this, both of this should be plus sign. So e power 6 u of t minus e power 10 u of t minus 2, that is nothing but it is option A. Yes, this is option A. We can rewrite this in terms of option A. Thank you.